Hayleys PLC's financial performance reveals a company navigating both positive and negative trends. Examining the data from the second quarter of 2022 to the trailing 12 months sheds light on these contrasting forces. On the bright side, Hayleys boasts impressive revenue growth. Year-over-year growth peaked at a remarkable 63.62% in Q2 22, and the TTM figure remains healthy at 20.76%. This suggests Hayleys is effectively expanding its market reach. This revenue growth is mirrored by a rise in profitability. Hayleys' operating income has seen significant increases, with Q2 22 experiencing a phenomenal 119.46% YOY jump. Despite some fluctuations, the TTM figure remains positive. This indicates Hayleys is translating revenue growth into profitability, a sign of strong operational efficiency. Further adding to Hayleys' appeal for investors is its reputation as a dividend darling. Consistent dividend increases for the past 3 years, on top of a 30-year track record of uninterrupted payouts, solidify Hayleys' attractiveness to income-seeking investors. Hayleys also demonstrates resilience in its gross profit margins. Despite fluctuations in cost of goods sold, the company has maintained relatively stable margins. This suggests some control over pricing strategy, potentially allowing Hayleys to absorb cost increases without significantly impacting profitability. However, there are areas for improvement. The significant quarter-to-quarter fluctuations in operating income raise concerns. Hayleys might benefit from implementing strategies to smoothen out these variations and ensure more consistent profitability. The table doesn't reveal the specifics, but Hayleys' non-operating income has consistently been negative throughout the period. This could indicate a need to improve investment strategies or explore alternative sources of non-operating income to bolster overall profitability. A recent dip in revenue observed in Q4 22, MAR 2023, is also a cause for some caution. It's crucial to understand the factors behind this decline and determine if it's a one-time event or indicative of a larger trend. While the financial performance is positive overall, the mention of the RSI being in overbought territory suggests the stock price might be due for a correction. Investors should consider both fundamental and technical factors before making investment decisions. In conclusion, Hayleys PLC presents a compelling case for investors seeking growth and income. The strong revenue growth, rising profitability, and consistent dividend dividend history are undeniable positives. However, the volatility in operating income, declining non-operating income, and recent revenue dip require further investigation. A comprehensive analysis that considers both the positive and negative trends will help investors make informed decisions about Hayleys PLC. It's important to remember this analysis is based solely on the provided financial data and doesn't include external factors that might be impacting Hayleys PLC's performance. Further research into industry trends, company news, and competitor analysis is recommended for a more complete picture.